Naniniwala ba kayo kay Wing Gatchalian sa kasi matibag? Puro kasinungalingan yung sinasabi nila. Ang tagal nang binabackground check kami ng intelligence community, including cyber, technical intelligence groups ng AFP, PNP, NBI, and even the intelligence group of the Presidential Security Command. Alam na nila lahat. No? So yung pati yung bahay ng girlfriend ng mga kasama ko. Pero lang yon.
Pero sir, ano yun? What do you call the accusation?
It's funny. It's funny.
Not true.
I don't know why people of their stature supposed to be will engage in such inane accusation that we are threatening the security of the Senate.
Okay.
How? Pagpasok mo pa lang sa Senado, kakapkapan ka na. Wala ka namang maski kutsilyo, hindi ka na makapasok kung meron kang kutsilyo. Tapos ang usaa doon, may mga baril na nakasukbit. So, paano?
Categorically, sir, no.
Wala kayong balak na party tayo ng barilan.
Wala naman.
Kung gusto ni Matibag siguro
Na?
na makipagbarilan sa amin, bigyan niya kami ng baril. Di ba? Pero walang ganon. Okay, we are a peaceful people. We do not know violence. We do not know dissidence. So kaya nga kami nagko-cooperate. Even if we do not recognize si Erwin Tulfo as chair of the Blue Ribbon, pumunta pa rin kami. Unfortunately, hinarang nila kami. Tapos yung sinasabi nila na hindi kami nag-attend, nandun kami. In fact, nung kumukuha pa lang kami ng QR code, meron nang bumubulong sa akin, sir. Ang sabi ng mga senators, you need not attend because what they are doing now is just a consultative meeting and not a hearing. And therefore, you need not attend. Sinabihan na kami.
So sir, yung going back to the 18, so willing kayo mag-individual na mga affidavits. Anong end po natin? So, depende sa ombudsman.
So that each of the 18 will now share to the ombudsman investigators everything that they know.
Okay.
Because in the joint affidavit, we just provided a glimpse just to warrant or trigger an investigation.
Okay.
Kasi ayaw naman naming ilaglag ang bawat isa sa kanila sa publiko. Mas gusto sana naming ilaglag ito sa tamang forum. And this is the proper forum.
So that's